Hey, we're gonna have you stay on this side.
Yeah, you can't. You can't record right here. You got to stay right over here.
What do you mean? I gotta stay over here. This is public.
over here.
There's a business need. You can't use this part of the sidewalk, but you're welcome to stand there if you like. At least you're that way. You're in the shade.
What?
Yeah, you can't film the computers that they're using.
What are they doing?
We're working.
Right in the.
No, it's not.
It is open. It's in public view, right?
It is not right
It's
now.
plain view. What you're doing actually is you're blocking my camera. Do you know what that is?
Blocking your camera.
Yeah, that's prior restraint. You need to get your supervisor here. Identify yourself.
supervisor.
You're the supervisor?
I am a supervisor.
Identify
He's my
yourself.
supervisor.
Hey,
You got my name tag.
you're intimidating me right now. No.
Immediately got an attitude. Okay.
Okay.
I told you how the state statute of loitering and prowling works.
Okay.
Okay. You
Okay.
work next door. It's no big deal. We get you out of here.
Okay, so now you threaten to take me to jail if I don't show you my ID?
Yes.
So can I get a super?
I can get
Do you have some identification to identify who you are?
There's my identification.
That don't mean nothing. Can I have your
We
card?
don't have badge numbers here.
Do you have cards?
Cards?
Yes. May I have your card with your name on
Right
it?
now, no.
Nothing. But this woman got a false warrant.
That's a legitimate warrant.
Yeah, but it's false.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Because of her so-called observance of the child's well-being. Can you come up and look at this child?
Keep the baby little, man. Sir, you need to step aside.
Sir, I'm not obstructing nothing. As you can see, this man... No, please, sir, do not give me unlawful orders.
How is that unlawful? To step aside.
It's a small porch.
And you move towards that step aside.
Yes, I could move because I can move freely.
Right. So, absolutely. Just
You,
step aside.
excuse
So all
me.
you have to do is move out the
You
way.
got a man flanking my rear.
Who is not doing anything in aggression. He's literally.
In Hillsboro, Oregon, what starts as a simple act of public observation quickly spirals into a clash of egos and authority. When a citizen dares to record a task force operation from a public sidewalk, officers scramble to invent restrictions on the spot, despite the lack of tape, signage, or lawful orders. Cameras get blocked, voices rise, and the command staff pretends nothing's wrong. But one thing's clear. This citizen refuses to be intimidated.
Get ready for.
Hey, we're gonna have you stay on this side.
Yeah, you can't. You can't record right here. You got to stay right over here.
What do you mean? I gotta stay over here. This is
stay
public.
over here.
There's a business need. You can't use this part of the sidewalk, but you're welcome to stand there if you like. At least you're that way. You're in the shade.
What?
Yeah, you can't film the computers that they're using.
What are they doing?
We're working.
Right in the public setting, right? This is public
now,
parking lot, police station.
And right now we have a command post out right here.
Where?
This car.
All right.
Sir, you can stand right here.
I don't want to stand in the road. I'm going to stand on the sidewalk.
Okay, well then
Why
just
should I stand on the road?
I just told you.
Huh?
I just told you because we have a command post.
So you want me to be in the
You're not in the road.
in the
sir,
traffic?
It's a parking lot.
Yeah, for vehicles.
You can go over there to the front door area.
No,
That's totally fine.
no, 10 feet is more than enough.
No, it's not, sir.
You, listen,
Sir,
you
I'm
don't
gonna
need.
tell you right now.
What are
you're
you
not
doing?
recording- You're not recording the computers over here.
Is it open?
No, it's not.
It is open. It's in
No.
public view, right?
It is not right
It's
now.
plain view. What you're doing actually is you're blocking my camera. Do you know what
I
that
am
is?
blocking your camera.
Yeah, that's prior restraint. You need to get your supervisor here.
am a
Identify yourself.
supervisor.
You're the supervisor?
I am a supervisor.
Identify
He's my
yourself.
supervisor.
Hey,
You got my name tag.
you're
on the
intimidating me
recording.
right now.
I'm
No,
not-
the law
I'm not
says
intimidating you,
the
sir.
law says you need to identify yourself. What is your name and badge number?
I just told you.
Sergeant
It's right here.
Demigowski, I'm Lieutenant Bond. Can I have a
Lieutenant,
conversation
what
with
the hell's going on here? Why am I being intimidated this way and you're not stepping in right away?
That's why I was walking over here and talking to you. Can you stop yelling at me, please?
No, I'm not. Because now you've aggravated me.
I just walked up.
You just walked up here harassing me, threatening me,
I didn't
violating
walk
my
up to you.
constitutional
Why are
rights.
you yelling?
Because I can.
Okay.
You got a problem with that?
Well, it's not very polite.
I don't give a damn if it's not polite. It's against the law to harass me.
You walked
Is that
over to
polite?
us. You walked over to us.
Exactly. I walked up to you because I can.
Yeah.
Because you're in public.
Well, actually, we can have operations that
Yeah?
are restricted from the public. We
How?
can.
Outside of the building?
Yes.
And no signs? No tape? No nothing?
Would you like me to get some tape?
Yeah,
to
get
flash
some
you
tape.
up?
Get some tape and
If
put
you
it
want-
on.
If you want to walk over there, I'll
Actually,
set some
no.
tape.
Put on the tape and then I'll comply. Right now, you're more than 10 feet, more than enough. Understand? More than enough.
Can you stop yelling at me?
No, I'm not. Until you actually do your job properly.
You're the one.
That's what requires for you fools, tyrants, to do your jobs correctly. You immediately escalated this thing the moment I walked up with the camera.
I walked over.
You too. You're the lieutenant. You're supposed to put your sergeant in check right away.
That's why.
Your sergeant came in here aggressively at
You're
me.
You're gonna keep interrupting me. We can't have a conversation.
Well, then go do your damn job. Put up the tape and do your damn job.
Okay.
Dismissed. Put up the tape.
We will put up the tape.
Get to
Can you go
putting
over
up
there?
your tape. No,
will
until
go
you
over
put
some
up your
tape.
tape, I am more than sufficiently enough from where I need to
sir.
be.
Hi, my name's Brian Wilbur. I'm the commander here of the patrol division.
I don't give a damn what
Hi,
you are
I'm gonna-
anymore, Commander.
Sure.
Go do your damn
So
job.
this is what we're going to do, and I'm going to let you know, okay? We're going to put up some tape right here, just so that you're aware that that's the area you can't pass. The reason why you can't come here, and while it is a public accessible space, because it's currently being used for an operational need. Do you have any questions on how I can help you with that? I'm happy to help you in any way.
Commander, did you see your sergeant over there escalate the situation and aggressively approach me?
I was aware, and I didn't see it as escalation. I'm sorry you felt that way.
Oh, you
But
did
it
not
is-
see him
but it-
stick his camera?
Okay, but so-
stick his hand
Sir,
into
are
my
you gonna allow
camera?
me to speak? I'm happy to
I'm
answer
asking you questions. Did you witness him stick his hand
So
and
at this
and
point in time-
agreeing,
at this
admitting
point in
on
time,
record that
they're
that's
running
what
some
he's
tape
doing?
right there. So if you want to check it out, they're going to put some tape here, and we're going to put it around here. You're welcome to stand anywhere outside that tape.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then what I want you to do is when you stand somewhere, just see if you could be safe. Okay?
Sure.
All right. So
Put
they're
up
going to
the
come
tape.
this way, so I'll help you go with this way.
Put up the tape.
That's right over there. We're setting it up. So if you want to
Good.
go on the other side of the tape.
Well, whenever the tape is here,
they're working.
whenever the tape is here, that's when
Yeah,
I'll be.
It doesn't actually have to be a physical boundary. I could tell you, and as long as you're
No,
aware of it.
you have to give me a lawful order. You
know.
don't just create a boundary to intimidate me and to create a chilling effect on my First Amendment.
Is there something that you would like to have access to?
Yeah,
What is that?
I want to be able to see exactly what you're doing.
You can't.
Because it's publicly accessible, and if you chose
No,
to do
you
so
don't
in
have-
public,
you don't have a law
if
to
you
have
chose to do so in public, it's plain view. If you chose to do so in public, it's plain view.
Do you have any questions I
Understood?
can help you with? All right. If you're not happy with any service, you're welcome to file a complaint. You can do that online. You can do it in
Yeah, I
person.
just did. I'm gonna file a complaint with
Okay.
you on the spot.
Okay.
I want you to go to reprimand that sergeant.
That there's nothing
Reprimand him
that I saw, but
for-
I'll look
for
into
his
it.
aggression.
Can I get your information so that I can follow up with you on?
No,
the
you don't
complaint?
need my information.
Okay, I want to be able to tell you how the complaint resolves. Am I?
I know how the
the
complaint gets resolved.
Okay, thank you. If you can just
I know
take-
exactly how. You pretend nothing happened, and that's it. Well, well, Sergeant. Well, well. Piece of garbage.
I'm sorry you feel that way, sir.
Oh, I don't feel that way. I'm stating that as a fact. A piece of garbage.
Hey, it's super hot. You want a bottle of water?
Keep it.
Do you need that? You sure?
Keep
Okay.
it. I'm a survivor. Why you all running those vehicles with no occupants in them? Just burning gas. Who's the AC running for? A ghost?
Can I just have a conversation with you? So
Sure.
Sometimes the vehicles have to be ran because there's a lot of equipment in there, and the equipment will actually kill the batteries of the vehicles.
You don't have a backup battery in there?
They probably do, but if we don't run them, depending on how long all the equipment's running for, it'll kill the battery, and then we have to bring another car over here and get it jump started.
Really?
So, it takes
So
a lot more
all the
resources.
vehicles that are not running, for example, all your police
Careful,
all your police vehicles. Well, you put me in this situation. You told me to stand here, didn't you?
You can stand
Didn't you
over
tell me to stand right here in this area?
Sir, you can stand over there.
And now I'm in danger.
You can stand over there on the sidewalk.
I don't want to stand over there 20 feet, 30 feet,
that's
50 feet
yours.
away. I want to be able to stand 10 feet away.
And, hey, can I make you aware of like?
So
just-
why didn't you just make it over here, right? So at least I can see and hear some of it. No, you specifically did it 200, 500 feet away.
That's not 200 feet.
Well, you don't think that's let's see, from this point to that point, you don't think that's 200 feet? That's 500 feet.
That's 500 feet. Okay. You can point your camera to see if anybody else agrees.
I want to
with
stand
that.
right here. So move your tape over here.
We're not moving
That's
the tape.
that's enough.
So can I make you aware of a case though? Just where.
Yes.
So, just so you don't get in trouble for something like this in the future, like and
Get in trouble.
And I can give it. Well, so there's actually some state case law
Sure.
of people interfering with investigations,
Yes.
filming the police. I don't want you to do that.
All right,
in the
state
future.
the case for me.
So yeah, it's State v. Gardner.
Uh-huh.
Do you want me to give you the spelling of it?
No, I know it.
No. It's, you know it?
Just,
Okay.
just say what it says. Tell me what it says.
So that was actually a Hillsborough case. No, you can look it up and make your own interpretation. That was a Hillsborough Police Department case where somebody actually interfered with an investigation while filming. They were arrested and the Court of Appeals upheld it. I don't want you to get in trouble for something similar. So you can look it up, State v. Gardner,
No.
and don't do something similar
You
to
should
that.
pull up that statute and look at the very first case that says freedom of speech, speech alone does not constitute obstruction or interfering. Fools. And if you want to try that with me again, try it. Because I promise you, Washington County Sheriff's Office is finding out.
This video is a harsh reminder. Your First Amendment rights exist until someone in uniform decides they don't. When intimidation replaces lawful authority, and when sidewalk orders are barked out without legal footing, you either stand your ground or surrender your rights. Know the law, hold the line, and never let fear become the tool that silences truth. Imagine heading to work, minding your business, only to be stopped, questioned, and threatened with jail for doing nothing at all. That's exactly what happened here. A man standing near his job is accused of loitering and pressured to hand over his ID. No crime, no victim, just suspicion and assumption. And when he asks for a supervisor or a badge number, he's met with dismissiveness and intimidation. What unfolds next is a tense battle between knowledge of the law and abuse of authority.
Immediately got an attitude. Okay.
Okay.
I told you how the state statute of loitering and prowling works.
Okay.
Okay. You
Okay.
work next door. It's no big deal. We get you out of here.
Okay, so now you threaten to take me to jail if I don't show you my ID?
Yes.
So can I get a supervisor, please?
No. I mean, if you want a supervisor, you can have one, but he's going to tell you the exact same thing.
Well, can I get a supervisor before we go any further? Please? That's all I
I
ask.
already explained it to you.
Can I get a supervisor? That's all I ask. Can I have your badge number, sir?
I don't have a badge number. My last name's Michaels.
Your last name, Michaels, you don't have a badge number?
I don't have a badge number. No.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. So I explained it to you. You're making something that doesn't have to be, just like you did last time, man. I don't know what it is.
Man, you don't know me, man. You don't know me.
You don't know me either.
You don't know me. I never had a confrontation with you, brother. Ever.
Well, you created one last time.
I don't know when was the last time. Now you assuming that I'm somebody else. I'm not that person, brother. I'm telling you, I'm not that person. Y'all making a mistake. I'm not that person. I promise you, I'm not that person.
I'm not saying you're any type of person.
No, but I'm not that person that you think I am.
I explained it to you. All right. I'm leaving it up to you now. Okay.
Listen, I'm telling you, man.
I'm done talking.
Can I get a supervisor, sir? Can I get a supervisor?
No, you're talking to him. You can provide identification or no.
Can I get a supervisor?
The supervisor's going to tell you the exact same thing. It's a very elementary statute, okay? Loitering and prowling. Look it up on your free time. You have a phone, you have Google. If you want to do that later, you can. Okay?
So
nothing. We're done talking.
I told you I work right here, right? They can verify who I am. That's all I can tell you, man. They can verify who I am. I work right here at Village Inn. I'm 20 steps from my job.
Listen.
What's the problem?
Brother, listen to me.
What's the problem?
If you want to stay on 1012 with my partner here, I'll go ahead and verify that you work there. Okay? I'm willing to give you an inch.
Bro, y'all listen. Y'all know y'all wrong, right?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
I'm willing to give you an inch.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
He's being very patient with you.
He's been very patient with me.
Yeah,
you would have hauled me off the jail.
You know what happened last time?
For
I
what?
put you in
Hold on.
handcuffs, okay?
Whoa.
Right. That's what I did to you last time.
I never been in hand. I don't know you, brother.
Yeah.
I don't know you.
You didn't used to work at Kiki's?
Yes.
Okay.
A long time ago.
Yeah, that was 2 years ago.
And I know, bro, I've been here for 2 years. I ain't never worked for no Kiki's. I worked for Kiki's 7 years ago in St. Pete, bro. Okay. Come on, man. You don't know me, bro.
We'll pull it up in Aces. Anyways.
Yeah, pull it up. You don't know me. And y'all wrong, bro. And you wrong, too. Talking about you don't have a badge number. Can I have your card?
My card?
Yes.
I can get
Do you have some identification to identify who you are?
There's my identification.
That don't mean nothing. Can I have your card?
We don't have badge numbers here.
Do you have cards?
Cards?
Yes. May I have your card with your name on it?
Right now, no. After I can give that to you.
You can't have, so I can't get your identification. That what you're telling me?
I gave you all my identification.
So I need a card so when I go down here to the station, I can see who I'm talking about because I got to go to work.
Yeah, that's fine. But once we deal with this and get you out here, we can. But the way you're acting right now is inappropriate.
So, and you telling me I have to give you my ID?
Yes.
Okay. That's what you're telling me.
Yep.
Okay.
We told you multiple times.
Okay.
And he's been very nice, very patient.
Very
with
nice
you.
and very patient.
I would have asked you 2 times. If you would have told me no,
you would have
have
asked me
been going to
2
jail.
times and I would have been going to jail.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Okay. I respect that. I ain't going nowhere, brother. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Well, stop walking
I ain't going
around.
nowhere.
All right.
What you mean? Walking around? I'm not.
You're walking that way. You're going this way. You're
So what
not
you mean? I'm not cooperating.
Yep.
Because I ain't give you my name.
Yep. Exactly.
Okay. All right.
Make sure you get your my good side.
I am. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna make sure I get it.
Appreciate that.
And you say I can't get your card with your information on
I
it?
told you my information. My last name is Deputy Michaels. Work for Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
You work for Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
Yep.
Okay. And y'all don't have badge numbers?
Badge.
Well, he just gave me a badge number.
What badge number did he give you?
He gave me some numbers. It's on the phone. I ain't gotta worry about it. He gave me some numbers.
I don't have a badge number.
Okay. I respect that. And I'm recording for my safety. Thank you.
You are very safe, sir.
Okay.
You have 2 police officers here.
2 police officers that threatened to take me to jail, but I'm safe.
Yep.
Okay. Threatened to take me to jail for what? Because I know the law. So, hey, man, I ain't mad. I ain't been to jail in 30 years, so it don't bother me. I need to go see how I look anyway. Yeah. I ain't been in 30 years, man, so it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter what I went to jail for.
You're right, doesn't
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm way older than you, probably older than your damn daddy, brother. And you sitting here trying to chastise me like I don't know the law. You and your partner threatening to take me to jail because he's saying I'm loitering, and I'm telling him, where is a loitering sign at? Show me a loitering sign. I don't see no loitering sign. None, y'all. I don't see it. I don't see no loitering sign. So,
So what business do you have here then?
Exactly.
Keep your hands out of your pockets, please.
I ain't got nothing in my pockets. I don't have nothing in my pockets that will harm or hurt you. I'm telling you that.
Okay.
I'm a law-abiding
Don't put your hands in your
citizen.
pockets
I am a
anymore.
law-abiding citizen.
your hands in your
I don't
pockets,
have
I'm handcuffing you.
anything to harm or hurt you.
I hope not.
In my pocket.
I hope not.
I'm letting you know right now. I don't have nothing.
Thank you.
I'm a law-abiding citizen.
I appreciate
Thank you.
that. Never said you weren't.
Thank you. So you telling me I can't go in my property? I'm telling you is I don't have anything to harm or hurt you, and you telling me I can't go in my
Let me
pocket?
search you then to make sure
For
you
what?
don't-
Hell no, you ain't searching me.
Okay, that's
What you
fine.
searching me for?
I'm not searching you. I'm just asking. Can I not ask?
And I said no.
Then I'm not going to do it.
Okay then. I know my law.
Okay.
I
Don't be
know
putting
my
your
law.
hands in your pockets then.
Mm-hmm. I know my law. There go the other one right there.
So you
That's
look
the
at
other
it.
one right there. Bothering me because I'm sitting here minding my business, ready to go to work. And here he comes. Here he comes. Tuffy right there. Here he comes. Threatening me, telling me I got to give him my ID. Like I'm a fucking kid. Like I don't know what's going on. Like, come on, man. Then he assuming that I'm somebody else that he know that he put me in handcuffs 2 years ago at Kiki's. Man, get out of here. I ain't worked at Kiki's since 2015. Come on, man. I'm older than both of their daddies. And they sit here trying to chastise me. Come on, man. That's crazy. But it ain't over. It ain't over. When in my job, got my information, running my name just to see if I got any type of anything so they can try to take me to jail for what, I don't know, but you know.
This encounter teaches us one harsh truth. Ignorance of the law isn't just dangerous, it's exploitable. When officers confuse loitering with standing near your workplace, when they deny badge numbers and act like supervisors are optional, it's up to you to know your rights. Ask questions, stand your ground, and always film. Because silence and compliance in the face of unlawful authority is how rights are lost. In this emotional standoff, a grandfather fights to protect his rights and his grandson from a system that seems more interested in intimidation than justice. With no clear answers, no due process, and a CPS worker armed with a questionable warrant, this family is blindsided by a government machine that treats observations like evidence. As emotions rise, so does the resistance. But what happens when knowing your rights makes you the enemy?
Please, don't scare my daughter. I need to get your badge number since you ain't got a name. 204 103 Torres. You worked on the west side, didn't you? You did? West side, West Cleveland Police, didn't you? Of course you did.
This is a whole bunch.
Yeah, it is.
This just changed like.
Yeah. Yep.
I wish you just go to give them up and go to court tomorrow.
Don't go for their legal aid, okay? Their legal aid will fucking side with them and say, okay, you do this. Do not sign anything for parenting classes. She's a fucking predator. This is what they do. They looked at you because you're quiet. The way your demeanor is. I need you to get your voice. and say, no, this is not right.
I just want to say, if you guys are in jail tonight, you cannot attend the court hearing and you cannot defend
Oh
yourself.
my God. Dude,
My
keep
advice
scaring him.
is
Keep scaring him.
to
Keep
stay
scaring him.
out
This
of
is going to
jail
look
so
good.
you can come to
This is going to
court
look
and
good for the
defend
lawyer.
yourself.
This is
No
going to
one
look
can
good
speak
for the
you
lawyer.
if you're not there.
This is good for the lawyer. This is good. Good. Good for a lawyer. Yeah, Baba.
Let's do this.
What do you... Let's go in the house to talk. Me and you. What time is court tomorrow?
I told you I don't know until tomorrow.
Come on. Oh, hold on. Whoa. You don't know till tomorrow? Say that again. You don't know what time court is? Say it again.
I just told you.
Okay. See, I caught you.
Doing what?
Go ahead. You don't know what time court is, but you got to seize the baby. Oh, you'll find out tomorrow, but you couldn't find out today because,
Don't give it to us when they issue warrants.
like I
We
said,
get it tomorrow morning.
that's a warrant for a child now. Come in the house. I'll talk to you. I'm going to tell you something. No, she's lying. She is fucking lying. That is not a warrant to remove a baby. It doesn't show any evidence of anything. Nothing. No evidence of nothing. No betrayal. Oh, it's small. Yeah, he's small. All our family's small. No, that's why I said leave the fucking... You got a back door?
There ain't no, it's a install.
Still.
I was telling her to come on.
Yeah, just should have just grabbed the baby. I would have bought shit for you guys. So.
Just so you're aware, okay? I'm not rushing. Nobody ever wants
This
to
is
be removed from the
intimidation
child.
right here. And you have no basis to take this child. And you know it.
Like I told her, this is temporary, from what I was told.
Yeah,
I'm
what you were
relaying
told.
what I was told by the judge. This is not a permanent stay. But I don't want any issues. I don't want you guys to have to go through any extra loops that you have to go through.
Oh, we won't. We'll... Like I said, I could get a JAG lawyer. Is that a sergeant?
Sergeant and a corporal.
Look at this, man. Look what you're doing to this family. You. Sergeant, can I talk to you? My daughter has not been served due process. No, nothing. But this woman got a false warrant.
That's a legitimate warrant.
Yeah, but it's false.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Because of her so-called observance of the child's well-being. Can you come up and look at this child?
Some children family services, you'll probably go to court, probably have to settle.
I see you heard.
We're going to get you.
Please do.
Nikita Phillips. We don't, she doesn't even know. She don't even know what time.
I told you I would call them tomorrow morning, and I would.
But then how are they going to get transportation there?
I don't know.
Oh, then what happens
We
if
don't provide transportation
what
to parents
okay,
according-
then what happens if they don't make it?
We will give them enough time to make it.
Oh, sure. I'm sure of that.
At this point, it's going to be obstruction.
Obstruction is a physical form.
Obstruction is not a physical.
Yes, it is.
By hindering my investigation and my due process.
Oh, wait a minute.
that's
No,
obstruction.
you know, you're here for her.
Right. And you're hindering the process.
Process of what? I'm not touching you guys. Corporal.
Yes, sir.
You could talk to me. I'm Sergeant from out of Fort Bragg.
Well, I was talking to him with the baby.
Yeah, let him hold the baby.
Yeah, he can keep the baby with him, huh?
Sir, you need to step aside.
Sir, I'm not obstructing nothing. As you can see, this man... No, please, sir, do not give me unlawful orders.
How is that unlawful? Just step aside.
It's a small porch.
And you move towards that step aside.
Yes, I could move because I can move freely.
Right. So, absolutely. Just step aside.
Excuse me. You got a man flanking my rear.
Who is not doing anything in aggression. He's literally laid back and leaning. And I've done this.
Yeah.
I've had my hands on my vest for the most part of it.
Thank you.
With no aggression.
Thank you.
There has been no
Thank
aggression.
you. Like I said, I know
you.
you, and you probably forgot about me, but I do know you.
Never met
You
I'm not from the area.
what area?
I'm from southern. I'm towards Columbus area.
Oh, Columbus. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you got a doppelganger up here in Cleveland.
I do.
Yeah. And like I said, once they supposedly get the baby's weight, we're suing them. Because you know what? Like I told you guys, get a lawyer, have her cease and desist. There's no problem. She took advantage of you because the way you are, you're quiet, you're shy. Hide your face from the camera, thank you. Call her, talk to her.
Hello? The cops are here. They said they're gonna take us all to jail if we don't give up the child.
Oh my God! Oh, I got that on camera. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm here.
He's recording.
Fuck yeah! They had to call backup because I know my rights. I told you she would do this as soon as she hung up the phone. I told you, once I said, you're going to move in with us, what'd she do? She did this. She hurried up. Oh, but observance. I don't see the marks on the baby, and the baby looks like he did gain weight. Just because of one little hospital miss. She ain't gonna calm down. How'd you feel, one of our kids?
25 headquarters. Go ahead. Show me how this is all up.
I need to take the baby with me. That's what I need to do.
Where's the baby going? What facility? What facility?
I can't tell you that.
Oh, yeah.
You are not entitled to that information.
Oh, yeah. Are you going to leave her down?
You are not entitled to that information.
Excuse me. I have not moved from my space.
You move forward.
Sarge.
Back away.
Sarge, please.
That's an aggressive move. So you
So you, okay, go on, retaliate. Go ahead, retaliate. You know, you don't believe, you know what? You shouldn't be a sergeant. Your stripes should be taken away.
If you feel I've done anything wrong, that's why the court hearing is going to be held tomorrow.
And I'll be there.
Information. If you would please be quiet. You are interrupting and he won't hear that.
That's not obstruction.
Bring anything that you have.
Sergeant, I know the Constitution. I'm a sergeant out of Fort Bragg. You guys, yes.
If you get arrested,
yeah, but I know the Constitution. Oh, no, that you're gonna get sued and you're gonna lose your stripes. Go on.
stand next to the tourist.
Yeah, please stand right there. So that way I ain't gonna rush in and, you know. Great work, Sarge. I'll be looking for retaliation once I leave. And I also have dash cam, so.
That's true. Give me a relative's name.
Imani Hall.
Who is that?
My big sister.
Give me her information. Do you have anything to write her information down?
Yeah. Yeah.
I got stuff upstairs.
Stuff like what?
Like,
It's okay, Anna. I'm here, like I said. Get me for obstruction, please. Dude. Sergeant. Dang. You know what? What we need, a staff sergeant major, you know? Because of all this bullshit going on with cops, violating people's rights. You guys can't investigate yourselves. Yeah. Like I said, this was a civil matter. Sergeant, you don't have a badge number. What's your name, Sarge? You don't give it? All right, thank you. Corporal, sir, do you have a badge number, sir? No. 0413. Thank you for being professional, quiet. You know, I like your demeanor, man. Not me, I'm a sergeant. I yell at my guys. Oh, I could be, can I be placement because I'm because I know my rights? Is it because
you are not in alignment with the agency, we could not place a
Oh,
child with you.
why not?
Because you are not in alignment.
I'm the paternal grandparent.
It doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh yeah, it does. Go on, say it. Oh, you already got it. This is video gold, Sarge. I know. You know it, Sarge. Go on, Sarge. Yeah, Sarge, smile. Hey, would you hire me? I'm 54 I'm going to be 54 this year. I'm a sergeant, man. I'm a sergeant myself, but I tell you what, I won't let any of these the patrolman clowns violate anybody's rights around here. I'm telling you, I'm a stickler. I earned a coin. I saved a man's life. So if you know anything about vets and when they receive a coin, you know it's something. Am I allowed to go buy the baby? Look,
Uncle? Absolutely not. He is not in alignment with the agency. No. If there is a person that is not in alignment with the agency, we cannot.
Excuse me.
No.
I am a grandparent.
He did. Absolutely not. I would not use him as
Now you see that? That's retaliation. She's about to lose her job.
Never.
Yes. You will. That's retaliation. I am the grandparent, the paternal grandparent. You're about to lose your job.
My grandma's the best bet. She's coming down here tomorrow. So that works out for you.
Visitation would be every 2 weeks. Will she do that? I mean, sorry, every week. Will she bring the baby here every week?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, give me her. I have her information. Give me whoever else you need me to check out?
Right here, Storm Thomas Fuste. I live
You're not
at.
eligible.
Oh yeah, because I know my rights. Ain't that right? I'm the paternal grandparent, and when this goes on YouTube and Facebook tonight, yeah, there's something's going to change. Something's going to change, Miss Nikita. You okay? Yeah, go sit down with them.
Obviously, you have constant contact with her.
Oh yeah, I got other uncles. My other uncles, okay?
Whoever you are looking to place with, right?
Whoever you're looking to place? Can you place him with Grandpa?
Not eligible.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Say it again. I'm not eligible. Grandpa's not eligible. She's digging herself a hole, ain't she, Sarge? Go ahead, smile, Sarge. Let me see that smile. You know, I do want to come work. You know, I have no felonies, sir. Like I said, 82nd Airborne, all the way.
I'd be in the same boat you were, so you're trying to take my
Don't worry, I'm not obstruction.
So if I can, that's the advice I'm giving you, trying to help. But I think they
Should put some butter on them corns.
I have a copy.
Oh, yeah. I'm not eligible because I know my rights. Damn. That's okay, it's going on YouTube tonight.
I'm going to put my strap the car seat in.
Watch out and don't want you tripping over your corns. Corporal, thank you for being professional.
25 headquarters.
That's okay, boys. We got a lawsuit. She don't think we could sue her. She ain't got qualified immunity. You guys do. That's why you had to get out the house. I knew she was going to do this after she hung up the phone with me. Just hold on. No, let her bring her fat ass up here.
She's doing it so they can have time with the baby to be in the car seat.
Just wait.
Can you at least stand out the way?
No, this is my grandbaby. I'm going to stand in the way.
You're hindering them from going.
Come on now. I'm not hindering.
You are. You just stopped them from coming down the steps.
Oh, come on. Stop it. I got it video recorded.
Absolutely, and that's great to show.
Yeah, it's great. Okay, stand down. Stand down. You have no warrant here. You already were told to get off the property. Trespass. Grandpa loves you, Junior. Anything happens, like I said, Grandpa's a specialist. 82nd Airborne, all the way. Nikita, anything happens to my grandchild, you ain't gonna like it.
25 headquarters.
And I'm sorry, I'm allowed to say that.
Go ahead.
This is unlawful. She had no due process. Nothing. Go ahead, smile. Careful.
There's a lever on the bottom, on the hood of it, that should come off on the top.
Them corns. I told you guys to get a lawyer. Send her a cease and desist letter. They have no proof. Only observance. Observance is not fucking admissible in court. Like I said, you guys should have stayed in the house. That warrant wasn't for it to be in the for them to go in the house. It was for the baby. Wow, you don't know how to put a car seat in? Oh, no, you forgot. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know if she should be handling a child. From my observance, that's going to look good on YouTube. Watch.
What's too loose? Well, that's because that.
Yeah, that's disconcerting. Yeah. That is disconcerting. She don't know how to put a car seat in. Wow. Is your mom still on the phone? Yeah, smile, baby boy. Grandpa loves you. So say that again. I'm not a qualified recipient for the baby. That's right. Yeah. And I'm a paternal grandparent. That's going to look good tomorrow. Very much look good tomorrow. Oh, it doesn't. Like I said, you guys call me when court is.
Have you guys heard of a WIC at all?
I'm gonna try to get on it. They said that they're gonna call us back.
Okay. If you're having issues with it, try to push a little harder with them.
Yeah, we try to call like every Monday.
Okay. Yep. Push hard with them. It's great to get the baby's food in general, and when he gets older, you get baby food, small pears, things like that, and fruits. So try to keep consistently on that. That looks good on you guys as well. Okay. Because it shows that yeah, we're struggling, but we're seeking help this way. Because, those are things that look good for you.
This video shows exactly why Americans must never take their rights for granted. When agencies like CPS hide behind vague policies, deny relatives their rightful custody, and punish people simply for asserting the Constitution, it's a warning to all of us. Demand transparency, film everything, and never let fear or silence replace the power of due process and truth.